I'm Raul Pereda, President and CEO of Mitsubishi Power Aero. One of the things that's unique about Mitsubishi Power Aero is we also own an engineering, procurement, and construction company. We have a staff of about 20 to 30 engineers that have capability to design, spec, and procure gas compressors, emissions treatment equipment, fuel treatment equipment, transformers, and also manage construction projects. So we're able to offer a customer a turnkey solution. We also re-engineer and come up with better solutions that allow the customers to operate their machines in a more cost-effective way, saves them money, and savings they can pass on to customers. It gives us very nice competitive advantages in some cases where a customer is looking for a total solution. We're able to provide that solution to them.